Was What is up, guys? This is Mitch. Welcome back to my channel. What I wanted to do for you guys today is more Gran Turismo 5. I just made the first Gran Turismo 5 video, and it hasn't even uploaded yet. So instead of, if I would get 2 likes on it, then I would continue the channel. But I do not care. I want to do this so bad. And I finished the one last race in the Sunday Cup. I did this one right here. But now, I actually got apparently 2 new cars, and that's really amazing, just out of the blue. Okay, car delivery. Ooh, it's a Toyota. I'm going to open this one. Oh, I know what it is. It's a go-kart. I get a go-kart. I mean, I like go-karts. They're fun. I've driven one before. I've actually raced in them at K1. And they're pretty fun. I'm just a dude with an orange jacket and a baseball cap riding around in a silver go-kart. Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's also pretty funny, but not as much as it spins out. I mean, how much it spins out, that's just plain sad. Okay, now my second car. I have no idea what this looks like. It's a Toyota Vitz. Let's see. That color is horrible. Sure, yeah, I'll use it, but I need to change that color first. It's yellow Make metallic. More like mustard metallic. Jeez. Okay, actually, let me go change that right now. Wait, let me open. I could put a number on this? Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it... Oh, it's a size, it's a type of number. I'll just keep it at the 2 style. Number. Okay. I'm gonna put it at 37. No, just plain 7. Okay, let me favorite it. And favorite this. Okay, standard car. Sorry about that, I had to do that. Okay. Wait, what was it? What was it? But if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. But I just wanted to show you that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. See you, breasts.